Hi Jennifer, my apologies. I didn't look carefully enough at your original function. I guess I was just in a bit of a hurry this morning. I didn't realize you had made a mistake in your derivative, and that's why we're getting different answers. This exponent here, if you go back to your original function, if you take the derivative of x to the 5/3, you're going to get 5/3 x to the 2/3, not negative 2/3. So that's going to change our whole function now because we have 2/3 x to the minus 1/3. We'll set this equal to 0 to save a step. And then we're going to have minus 5/3 x to the 2/3. And then if we multiply everything by 3, 2x to the negative 1/3 minus 5x to the 2/3. Okay. So if we use that same trick that we used earlier, it's going to work the same way to get rid of the exponents if we put everything to the exponent 3. We'll end up with 125 x to the 2 equals, what did I do wrong? No, that's right, this is a negative, sorry, equals 8x to the negative 1. And so if we deal with this one now, it'll be slightly different because we have 125x squared, and we'll bring over the 8 over x equals 0. And if we multiply everything by x, we'll get this. Okay. So one way to deal with this, I guess, would be x cubed equals, if we take the 8 over to the other side and divide by 125, and then that would mean that x is the cube root of those guys, which is 2 over 5, and that's where that 2 over 5 root comes from that you were looking for. It was just all in that simple mistake back here that I did not catch, and I'm sorry about that. But that's why it is, and that's how it works out. So I hope that helps explain that error, and I apologize again.